I'm really happy because I'm really happy. I mean, I really can't say more than that. I'm genuinely happy, and the fact that, you know, uh, अभी ये मेरा पिक्चर नहीं है, अभी ऑडियंस का पिक्चर है, अभी ऑडियंस का जिम्मेदारी है, और वो जिम्मेदारी ले ली है, उनके वजह से आज ये पिक्चर हिट है, मेरे वजह से पिक्चर हिट नहीं है। वो पिक्चर देख रहे हैं, जाके लोगों को लेके आ रहा है, लोगों को पिक्चर दिखा रहा है, तो दैट मेक्स मी फील वेरी गुड है कि मेरे बच्चे को जो मैंने ऑडियंस के सामने रखा था उसको हम लोग देखभाल कर रहे हैं। मतलब
when we heard the story, it was like, okay, we have to do it. So we were gung-ho from day one about it. Like, okay, we have a great product in hand, we have to make it successful. And
when you see the film, when I saw the film, it was amazing because the kind of direction, the kind of cinematography or acting, Vidya being superb, each and every character, Nawaz,
and it keeps you on your edges.
It is on the hook. I think it's one of the best scripts in the Indian history, because it is really, somebody said that is a mother of all scripts. It is in fact, it is. Kahani is like that.
This is the kind of movies that are going to go. I mean, it doesn't matter it's a male or a female oriented subject. It's the subject that matters, and Vidya is at the peak of her career these days.
Kahani, I've seen. It's a very, very original screenplay. It's a director's film, according to me. I think Vidya also has done a very good job. But basically, the film is the way it has been conceived and where it has been executed. My full congratulations to the director and the team, the cameraman, the way even people from Calcutta and West Bengal feel first time they've seen Calcutta in such a beautiful way.
Indian cinema needed this kind of film, and a surprise cinema. Beautiful film, a very good screenplay, and heads off to the director, heads off to the team and the production house. Great cinema. India entertained and enjoyed it.
It's a wonderful movie, unbelievable, unexpected. It's an excellent movie.
Well, Kahani is a big kahani actually. It's a successful kahani. It's a brilliantly made kahani, beautifully told kahani. What more can I say? And the audience has appreciated it immensely.
I think it's there's a creative work, and the Sujoy has done fantastic tight screenplay and very tight editing. In fact, he never, left for an audience just moment that to think about, do what's happening. So it's really the classic case of how good creative film. And he believed, and his conviction in his story, his storytelling, the way he told, way he picturized, way he edited, I think is incredible.
शी इज़ एन एक्ट्रेस पीरियड। तो क्या होता है इन लोगों से, क्या होता है कि आप इसको कोई जिम्मेदारी दो ना, वो निभाती है, बहुत खूबसूरती से निभाती है। सो व्हाट हैपेंड, आई टोल्ड दैट दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वांट, ये तेरा कैरेक्टर है, एंड शी डिड द रेस्ट। आप जो भी देख रहे हो स्क्रीन पे वो सब विद्या, मेरा कोई सी माई जॉब एज ए डायरेक्टर टू मैनेज पीपल। मैं सबसे, मुझे काम निकलवाना है, कि विद्या से निकालो या फॉरम से निकालो या मेरे एडिटर से निकालो, बस काम उन लोग करते हैं, मैं तो सिर्फ चांस पे डांस करता हूँ।
I love the relationship between that chaiwala and Vidya, that little boy and her, that relationship was unsaid, but there were lots of things in that, even the romance between that cop and Vidya,
it was a subtle
hint
romance.
of very subtle, this thing, unsaid, but yet you could feel that,
I think the climax where the screen just freezes and there is just a tear going out from her eye, that is the scene, I think.
Everything really, I was totally engrossed, totally involved in the film, and trying to figure out what's going to come out of it, because when you're watching a thriller, you want to see, okay, where the twist is going to be. So I think that's what really, the twist did it all, and it was a brilliantly made film.
It is totally against the grain. It doesn't have item numbers, it doesn't have a standard heroine, it doesn't have standard sets, it doesn't have anything which is what we call standard commercial setup kind of things, and the film is reaching audiences. And it's a very, very commendable effort, and I hope this effort gets recognized in terms of awards and everything possible.
I thought that the last the twist was, and in the film it's again. I mean definitely it is a Vidya's film, and Vidya's done wonderful to keep and the Sujoy has also captured her so beautifully, and the twist was is really is the end, the last 20 minutes. This film takes you on a different high, and that's the audience really loved it, and the audience was restless to actually what the mystery would be, and it's a so simple story, but it's still the really connected with the people.
The new cinema, Calcutta, new faces, hardcore script, a very westernized, very Hollywood, good editing, good background, and the script was holding, the performances was holding. So all salute to the cinema. End of the day, the cinema which works. The stars works Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, the cinema works. So here is the sign that the cinema is working, and we are celebrating the party because of the cinema worked.
I think so. It was first of all, it was a story. Then it was performance by Vidya Balan, and the third thing was the great team which we had led by director Sujoy Ghosh.
It's only script works, nothing else. Only script. Whether it's a woman-oriented films, whether it's a hero-oriented films or anything, so only script works. Only script.
You know, anything new, anything novel is welcome. So I think that's the USP of the film.
It feels very good, but it's all audience driven. Yeah, जो audience, I mean, दर्शक भगवान है, तो अभी उनको पसंद आ गया तो ठीक है. I mean, you know, because this is what we live for. This is what we want from every movie that we do. Thank God we got it from this. In the next movie we want to work even harder. और भी मेहनत करेंगे, और भी मन लगा के काम करेंगे. एटलीस्ट कोशिश तो करेंगे. बट उसका कोई गारंटी नहीं है कि अगर मैं इससे ज़्यादा वर्क हार्ड किया आपको पसंद आवे. तो इट ऑल डिपेंड्स रे. आप जो भी देख रहे हो ना, दिस इज़ ओनली टिल नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे. तो अगले फ्राइडे किस्सा कुछ अलग होंगे, कहानी कुछ अलग होंगे.
कहानी बेहतरीन कहानी. मैं उसको मैंने ख़ास तौर पे ये फिल्म मुझे स्पेशल ट्रायल रखी गई थी. श्रीदेवी जी, बोनी कपूर जी और जयंती साहब ने मुझे बुलाया, जयंती भाई ने, और मैं उसके लिए जयंती भाई को धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि इतनी अच्छी पिक्चर हमें दिखलाई. बेहतरीन फिल्म है और कमाल है इसमें. मैं क्या कहूँ, उसमें मैसेज भी है, एक आज के हालात पर भी एक बेहतरीन मैसेज है, टिप्पणी है, बेहतरीन चीज़. और विद्या बालन जी की परफॉर्मेंस का जवाब नहीं है. लाजवाब आर्टिस्ट हैं और ऐसी फिल्में बननी चाहिए. लोग अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं और ऐसी फिल्में हमेशा और बननी चाहिए.
I think such films are setting a trend, and I heard unfortunately it was in the Cannes for 2 years, but when it came out like a phoenix and a tsunami, and I think Penn deserves all the credit for supporting such kind of films and getting new talent out every time.
We believe in content, and we've proved it that content works.
I think that's the joy for me as an actor, that directors have the faith to be, the faith to cast me in completely diverse and diametrically opposite or different characters. And that's the reason I became an actor. So I'm just making the most of it. I submit to the director, and I've worked with very good directors. I guess that's the reason the films have turned out the way they have. You know, I knew that we had left no stone unturned, that we had done our very best and more towards telling a story, towards making kahani, in all honesty. But when I saw the film, I came out, I cried, and I just hugged Sujoy, and I said, it's been worth all the heartache we went through. It felt very proud because I felt like a mother who had delivered her child, and now the world was applauding. The world wasn't yet applauding her child, but she felt sure of it. So I remember getting extremely emotional. I remember Kushal was there at the screening, and it was just like, my God, this is something that all of us have lived through, you know, and to have seen it on the big screen for the first time felt really special. I do think that the climax was challenging because the kind of director Shujoy is, there was so much drama, and normally, you know, drama would require so much more out of the actors. You kind of lose control, but he kept us on a tight leash. It was very subtle and understated and natural. So I think that was tricky. When there's so much energy, you tend to overdo it a bit, but he just